My name is Craig Donor. I'm the department head for technical trades with Rappahannock Community College. Hired in with the state of Virginia about 20 years ago as senior mechanic for the state of Virginia. Retired from there and then hired in as a teaching career about 5 years ago here at Rappahannock Community College. I'm a 3-time certified ASE master mechanic, as well as welding certified in every certification you could possibly get. It's very affordable here at Rappahannock Community College. We take people that have absolutely no knowledge of tools or welding, anything in the technical trades, and we get them a career in less than a year, and they're making over $60,000 in less than a year's time here at Rappahannock Community College. So we do offer a G3. G3 can get you certified in 6 different areas, and the one specifically that pertains to me is the mechanical and technical trades. Diesel, HVAC, welding. We've got maritime that's coming. The G3 scholarship will actually help anybody that's earning less than $124,000 a year, and it pays for your college. Find your answer at Rappahannock Community College.